Number 19 and 20 of Civil Service Exam Math Review. Okay, so i-post nyo muna, try nyo sagutan bago panoodin ang solution ko. Okay, so let's start. Number 19, a store increases the price of a shirt by 20%. The new price is $36. What was the original price? So i-analyze natin mabuti ang problem natin. Ang sabi sa problem, a store increases. So increases, may addition, no? So a store increases the price of a shirt by 20%. So ang tanong, what was the original price? So gawa natin ng equation. Increases, so mag-a-add tayo sa original price. Let the original price be, ilelet natin yung original price na x. Okay, so let x be the original price. Okay? So gawin na natin yung equation. Original price x plus the increase. Increases the price of a shirt by 20%. X plus 20% of x. Okay? X yung original price. So pag dinagdagan ng 20% nitong original na x, the new price is 36. So equals 36. Okay? So what was the original price? Just solve the value of x. Okay? So ang gagawin lang natin dito, first step, gawin nating decimal ito. So we have x plus 20% in decimal, that is 0.20 or simply 0.2. Pwede na nating tanggalin itong 0. 0 after the decimal point, value wala na yan. Copyhin lang natin itong x equals 36. Okay? Equals 36. Then pwede nating i-add ito. Tandaan kapag yung variable may invisible yan na 1. So 1x plus 0.2x, that is equal to 1.2x. Parehas naman kasi silang may x. Okay? So i-add lang yung numerical coefficient. Equals 36. The next step para ma-solve natin yung x, divide both sides by 1.2. So we have 1.2x over 1.2 is equal to 36 divided by 1.2. So cancel na to, x na lang ang matitira. Tandaan kapag nagdi-divide tayo, dapat yung divisor whole number. So para maging whole number, move lang natin ito ng isa. So ang decimal point ng 36 nasa dulo yan, move din natin ng isa, dagdagan natin ng 0. So magiging 360 divided by 12 na madali ng i-mental. 36 divided by 12, eksaktong 3. Kopyahin na lang itong natirang 0. Therefore, ang original price ay $30, letter A. Okay, so next question, number 20. Burahin muna natin. For an extraordinary sale, an agent received 25%, 25% commission. If his commission was 1,650 pesos, what was the amount of sale? So itong commission daw niya, 1,650, nakuha niya yan doon sa 25%, 25% ng kanyang total sales. So ibig sabihin, ang formula natin, yung sales ni agent, i-multiply natin sa 25%, magiging equal siya sa 1,650. Okay? So ang question, what was the amount of the sale? Ito yung amount ng sale na hinahanap natin. O let natin yung variable na yan ay, let's say n. Okay? So n times 25%. Ang 25%, pwede nating gawing fraction ito, pwedeng decimal, depende sa inyo. Parang mas trip ko gawing fraction ito. So equals 1,650. Ang 25% kasi in fraction ay 1/4 lang yan. 25 over 100, tapos malo-lowest term natin. Lowest term lang yan ng 1/4. Okay? 25 over 100, pag dinivide natin both by 25, magiging 1/4 na lang yan. So we have n times 1/4 is equal to 1,650. Last step, para ma-isolate natin yung n, kailangan tanggalin natin si denominator na 4, edi i-multiply lang natin both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4 para cancel na yung 4 times 1/4, 1 na lang yon. So bali wala na yung 1. n is equal to, i-multiply lang natin. Okay, so i-distribute natin isa-isa itong 4 simula sa dulo, di ba? 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5, that is 20, carry 2. 4 times 6, that is 24 plus 2, we have 26. And then last, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, we have 6. Therefore, 6,600 pesos yung total sales niya. Letter A ang tamang sagot. Para makakuha siya ng commission na 1,650, which is 25% of the total sales. So that's it. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Follow for more. Para po sa mga naghahanap ng murang math review, mapa fire officer exam man yan, or UPCAT review or college entrance test, or civil service exam, meron po akong offer na math review, 99 lang po lahat yan. Yung tatlo. So kahit alin po dyan kung anong hinahanap nyo. Fire officer exam, meron tayong 99 only, 10 sessions. Ito po yung schedule natin. MWF, tuwing May po ito. Mag-start ng May 11, matatapos ng June 1, MWF po. So ito po yung mga i-discuss natin. Madadaanan lahat ng math and logical reasoning. Tapos meron din po tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subject. Meron din tayong GCN exclusive FB group para sa only replay ng past session. So ang reviewer ko po ay Google Forms. May mga mock test din. Wala po tayong PDF, Google Forms lang po. Okay? So 99 lang po yan. All in na yan. 10 days tayo ng math review. Para sa fire officer po yan. Tapos sa UPCAT naman, June ko naman ito gaganapin, MWF din, 7 to 9 p.m. din, June 8 hanggang June 29 naman po ito. So 10 days na math review. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subject, may mock test din po, and then may exclusive FB group din po. So June po yan, yung UPCAT. Tapos ang civil service exam naman, wala pa akong nakalagay na schedule dito, pero buong July po to, MWF din, 10 sessions din. Ganon din po, meron tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subject, may mock test, at may exclusive FB group. So, naghahanap ka ng math review, alin man dyan sa tatlo, mag-PM lang po kayo sa akin.